Welcome back, continuing the news. In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen looks at mad cow disease.
Scenes like these are a concern to public health experts. Not long after this cow was hit by a car, residents swarmed the dead animal to retrieve the meat for consumption. Although cases are uncommon in Jamaica, there's a risk of mad cow disease.
There is a cow that gets infected. That cow, the cause of mad cow disease is something called a prion, which is just like a misfolded protein that is a transmissible entity. It is something that can be transmitted from one cow to the other. And so this prion basically infects the brain of the cow and it causes the death of the cow. Now, if that cow who has been infected is now slaughtered and placed out for public consumption, then the prion that is within this cow can now infect the person who is consuming this.
Family physician Dr. Jermaine White says it may also be transmitted through contaminated blood products. Symptoms may not develop in people for several years after infection. They tend to develop psychiatric symptoms and/or strange behavior.
These symptoms can even progress to mimic other neurological conditions where patients will begin to lose muscular function and, similar things to multiple sclerosis. And eventually these cases tend to be fatal.
The life expectancy is usually 13 years. There is no cure for mad cow disease. However, Dr. White is cautioning livestock farmers to ensure that cows being prepared for sale abide by strict guidelines from the Public Health Department. As for consumers purchasing meat,
purchase meat from a reputable supplier, right? And ensure that even the little corner shops acquire the proper licensure from the health departments where they can be inspected, where their meats can also be inspected and passed. And, it will be better for everyone. At the end of the day, it's a very long incubation period, 4 to 5 years, right? And nobody's going to remember, I bought a piece of meat from John Brown or John Doe around the corner shop 5 years ago, and now I'm acting strangely.
With our health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.